I have to pee so bad. But it has just been dumping snow for hours since we woke up. It has been dumping snow.
It's amazing what a difference snow tires make in the ice. You almost get better grip than you do like on sand. Plus, all-wheel drive makes a huge difference. So driving in the snow, not really a huge deal, even though it looks like it would be pretty gnarly. So that's good. Since Kayla and Priscilla are the nicest humans in the world, they bought us some hardwood for Christmas, and they're letting us store it in their shed. Boom, hardwood. Alright, so we got our wood, we got our water, we got our shower. Now we need to go get some groceries, and then we'll head back to the Scamp. Gonna get some mixed greens and some plantain chips and kombucha and chocolate covered pretzels. Emma, I'm ready. Thanks. I'm vlogging.
Oh, okay.
Do you like that I said vlogging?
Yeah. Super trendy you are.
Yes, yes. Just got some wood and some water, and now
The essentials.
this stuff. So life is good. Great success getting all the things that we needed in town. Now we blast back off into the wilderness, enjoying our Princess Elsa and her snowy Scamp fortress for a day of Scamp life shenanigans and good times.
Somehow he seems to know that it is poopy outside. He has been here all morning, sleeping. Huh. You're a good dog. Yeah.
Oh, there's Elsa.
Oh, I can't. I can't. Oh.
Grab everything else. Hi, Bubba. I brought back coffee, but since we don't have a lid on it, some of it spilled, so I just drank it all. So, sorry, I tried.
If my feet caught on fire, I wouldn't be able to tell.
Because you can't feel them?
Yeah.
I think you would smell and like understand that that was happening.
This way.
You froze, dude?
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, we're fine. All for show. Really don't feel like chopping wood in this weather, so I'm going through this bin and finding all of the pieces. I think I got them all that are small enough to put in the stove. That should be enough for us for tonight, hopefully, but I may have to chop up some more later. Even though it's super overcast, I'm gonna go ahead and brush these guys off just in case we can make a little bit of power today because it's supposed to snow until nighttime. So any little bit will be helpful.
After being out there in the blowing snow, like loud and cold, it is so cozy in here. Huh. Yeah, he could go right to sleep.
Not technically a survival beer since we just got water, but I feel like I've earned this. It's freaking gnarly out here. Did you notice how hard I poured that? It's because it's a nitro. Milk stout. You swag jack me, what the heck?
These are my favorite photos from 2018. Going on my blog.
Wow, that's a cool photo.
Yeah.
Did you edit in the snow?
No, it's rain, remember?
Oh. Dave's such a stud.
So are you.
That's such an epic photo. Just so cute. Oh. This is all this year?
Yeah.
Goodness.
And I'm not even quite done. These are just my favorites from the whole year.
Cool. Do you want me to tell you what I'm doing, or do you want this to like not be obnoxious?
I think everyone knows
Exactly what we're doing. So I was looking at the Amazon affiliate links page yesterday, and our #1 seller is this. You guys have bought like 25 frothers, so I don't know how I feel about that.
Well, I think a lot of people are enjoying their cacao, and you kind of need a frother if you don't want to use a blender.
Yeah, that's true. And it's really nice for like all kinds of drinks.
Yeah, it is.
Or soup. I've been using it in my soup.
Mm-hmm. Blending.
No, I haven't.
Oh, I did. I have been.
I'm putting my frother in your soup. Oh yeah. It's incredible. Try it.
It's incredible.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Always. Tonight we're having our last bit of chili from Priscilla.
Chili from Priscilla.
Camp's having nearly the same thing, except not chili and his dog food mixture, and spinach instead of bok choy. I'm not sure if this is good for dogs or not. So in this chili, I'm gonna mix some of this bok choy. This is just some steamed sweet potatoes and beets on top of a little bit of spinach. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Okay. Good boy. What are you playing?
Modern Combat versus
On my iPad.
on your iPad.
I'm working on my next month's spread of my bullet journal. It's looking pretty good. Oh. This is the final dish. Hey to all of you guys watching this at the end of the video. I'm working on this actually right now at my parents' house. I'm in my old bedroom. This video was shot just a couple days before we left Colorado. We had to leave to come back for my grandpa's funeral and have ended up staying a little bit longer in Kansas City for some very last minute plans that we just made in the last few days. We're gonna keep you posted on those very, very soon. Really exciting stuff. Thanks for watching this video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.